Levi, I think those shoes are a little bit too big for you. Oops. Are you in Daddy's shoes? Uh-oh. Those are dangerous shoes. You ready to go to bed? You want to go night-night? You got to. Let's go get in your jammies, okay?
Only 7:30.
You want to get in your jammies? He's still trying to put on your shoes. You want to watch the Super Bowl?